I recently received the Soundpeats Air 5, a pair of wireless earbuds that are making waves on the budget earbud market. These bad boys come loaded with features you'd usually find on earbuds 3 times the price. High-res lossless audio, active noise cancellation, gaming mode, and a slick companion app for full customization. The best part? They're just $53 if you use the current discount code. So, let's dive into what makes the Air 5 such a standout contender in 2024 and why they're marketed as a solid alternative to big-name competitors like the Apple AirPods 4th generation or Galaxy Buds 3. Let's find out. Now, the Soundpeats Air 5 keeps things simple yet stylish. The semi-open design means no silicone ear tips, which some people find uncomfortable or irritating. Instead, these rest lightly in your ears for extended wear. They're lightweight, and the stem-style design is clean and minimal, available in matte black and glossy finishes like gold and purple. While the matte black version hides fingerprints well, I guess that the glossy ones are prone to smudges and scratches, so handle those with care. The Air 5 is rated IPX5, meaning it's resistant to sweat, splashes, and light rain. Just don't drop them in water, as they're not fully waterproof. The charging case is compact and durable. The clamshell design features a sturdy hinge that opens and closes smoothly, with a satisfying snap to ensure the earbuds stay secure when not in use. Inside, the earbuds are held in place with magnetic slots, so they won't shift or lose connection with the charging pins. Also, it uses a USB-C port for charging but doesn't support wireless charging, which might be a minor downside for some, but honestly, at this price point, it's not a deal breaker. The Soundpeats Air 5 excels in connectivity, thanks to its support for Bluetooth 5.4. Pairing is quick and seamless. Just open the case and the earbuds automatically enter pairing mode. Once paired, the connection remains stable, even when moving away from the source device. A standout feature is Multipoint Connectivity, which allows the earbuds to connect to 2 devices simultaneously. It's a feature typically found in higher-end earbuds, making its inclusion here even more impressive. The Air 5 also supports advanced codecs like AptX Lossless and AptX Adaptive, which are great for reducing audio compression and ensuring low latency sound. If you're using a Snapdragon Sound compatible device, you'll notice enhanced clarity and detail, particularly when streaming high-quality audio. The PeatsAudio app adds a lot of value to these earbuds. It's where you can customize EQ settings, switch between ANC modes, activate gaming mode, and even adjust touch controls. There are preset EQ profiles like bass boost and classical, or you can create your own custom profile using manual sliders. The app also lets you toggle ANC, enable gaming mode for low latency, and customize the touch controls. For example, you can assign different actions to taps, like adjusting volume or skipping tracks. One of the coolest features is the adaptive EQ, which tailors the sound to your hearing preferences after a quick test. While it's not perfect, it's a nice addition that helps personalize your experience. Let's talk about sound. The Soundpeats Air 5 features 13mm biodynamic drivers and supports high-end codecs like AptX Lossless and AptX Adaptive. The result? A clear and balanced sound profile that punches well above its price range. The mids and highs are where these earbuds shine, and instruments like guitars and violins sound rich and detailed. The treble adds just the right amount of sparkle without becoming harsh. The bass is decent, but not overpowering. Since these are semi-open earbuds, you won't get that deep booming bass you'd find in models with silicone tips. However, enabling the bass boost mode in the PeatsAudio app does give the low end a bit more punch. I think it's more than sufficient, but bass heads might find themselves wanting more. The soundstage is another highlight. Thanks to the semi-open design, the Air 5 creates a spacious and immersive listening experience, making it great for movies, live recordings, and layered genres like classical or jazz. The ANC on the Soundpeats Air 5 is a nice bonus, but comes with some limitations. It works well for cutting down low-frequency noises like AC hums and distant traffic. However, don't expect it to completely block out mid to high-frequency sounds, like chatter in a cafe or honking horns. The semi-open design naturally lets some sound in, so it's not ideal if you're looking for total isolation. What's interesting is the ability to tweak the ANC intensity through the app's ear canal settings. While the difference is subtle, playing around with these modes can improve your experience slightly. It's not going to rival premium ANC earbuds like the AirPods Pro, but for everyday use in moderately noisy environments, it does a decent job. That said, the ANC recalibration every 15 to 20 seconds can be a little distracting. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind if you plan to use them in quieter settings. What's missing here is transparency mode, which isn't surprising given the semi-open design already lets in some ambient noise. With 6 microphones and AI noise reduction, the Air 5 is well equipped for phone calls. In quiet environments, your voice comes through crystal clear. In noisier settings, like a busy street or windy park, the AI does a decent job of filtering out background noise, though it's not flawless. However, these earbuds perform more than adequately. For gamers, the Air 5's gaming mode is a standout feature. Activating it reduces audio latency, ensuring that sound effects are perfectly synced with your actions, such as playing fast-paced games like PUBG Mobile or watching action-packed movies. Gaming mode keeps the experience smooth and immersive. Enabling gaming mode is simple through the app, and the difference in latency is noticeable, especially compared to earbuds without this feature. It's a thoughtful addition for anyone who needs low-latency audio on a budget. Just keep in mind that it might drain the battery a bit faster. Battery life on the Soundpeats Air 5 is solid. You get around 6 to 7 hours of playback on a single charge, even with ANC enabled, and a total of 30 hours with the charging case. That's more than enough to get through a long day or even a weekend trip without constantly worrying about recharging. The charging case uses a USB-C port and holds its charge well. While there's no fast charging or wireless charging support, the overall battery performance is reliable and more than sufficient for most of us. At $53 with discounts, the Soundpeats Air 5 offers incredible value. Features like high-res audio, ANC, Snapdragon Sound, gaming mode, and a customizable app are rarely seen in earbuds at this price point. While there are minor compromises, like the limited ANC effectiveness and lack of wireless charging, they're easy to overlook given the overall performance. If you're looking for affordable earbuds with premium features, these are hard to beat. Don't miss your chance to grab the Soundpeats Air 5 at an unbeatable price. But for a limited time, you can get them for even less. Use the code TechXCaps for 35% off your purchase until November 30th, 2024. This deal won't last long.